All right. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video and guide on how you're going to submit your application to the now closing Total Energies Uganda Internship and Graduate Trainee Program of 2025. Of course, we made a post, and most of you wanted us to give you some guidance on how you're going to submit the application, and of course, how to ensure that you really get onto this program. So I thank you for having honored our invitation to attend this webinar, which is going to be recorded. It can still be accessed on our YouTube channel. Before we begin this session, we want you to, of course, take time and subscribe to our YouTube channel, to also follow the WhatsApp channel using the link that we shall provide in the description box below the video on the YouTube channel. In that way, of course, you'll not miss out on any latest job opportunities and career tips that we provide to you here at AfriCareers. Again, I want to talk about our sponsors, Apex Tax and Accounting School. These guys, those of you who are in the accounting, finance, taxation, audit fraternity, you should check out these guys, Apex Tax and Accounting School, which was founded by Harvest Training and Consultancy. So this school offers CPA programs, CTA programs. CTA is Certified Tax Advisor course, and they also have a very nice tax practitioners course, especially if you want to learn things of tax, you want to start your own tax agency, you want to be a tax consultant. They have a very good course, a hands-on course where they teach you the practical aspects of tax. So look out for them for their course. And of course, you'll be able to get a link in the description box down below the video. As I've mentioned, this seminar is recorded. We are taking you through those who missed, those who are going to watch this video after the seminar, after the live session. You should follow us on our WhatsApp channel to be able to have these opportunities, these trainings to help you do things the right way. So the session is for university students, fresh graduates that are eager to kickstart their career. I hope those are the people I have here. If you are eager to kickstart your career with hands-on experience and professional growth at Total Energies, this is your session. Make sure you stick here up to the end. We are going to give you different tips to be able to succeed. So, as you may all know, we made a post about the Total Energies Uganda Internship and Graduate Trainee Program for 2025. Basically, a gateway for you to a thriving career. So, this program is open and it's closing on the 15th of March, midnight. So, don't worry, even if you're watching this on the very last day, if you have some hours, just listen to what I'm going to say here and then apply, and then you'll be able to submit and succeed to join the program. So why join Total Energies Uganda? Now, Total is really committed to empowering people like you, especially the young ones, talented, by providing real world experience and mentorship in a dynamic work environment. And with a reputation as a global energy leader, Total is really highly regarded globally. This is your chance to learn from the best and make a mark in your field. The programs, the opportunities are basically two. There is the internship one and then the graduate trainee. I'll begin with the internship that is showing on your screen. I hope your screen is visible wherever you are. So the internship opportunities for 2025 are basically for second years and third year university students. If you're in second year, you're in third year, pursuing a bachelor's degree from a recognized national university, and you need a work placement as part of your course, this is the perfect opportunity for you. I hope I'm talking to these people here. So Total has given us the selection criteria, what they're going to follow when they're selecting the successful candidates. One, you must be pursuing a bachelor's degree from a recognized national university. You should provide an introduction letter from the university. I know most of you already have these letters. A copy of your student ID of that university. Then the scores, Total has communicated that they are going to really consider those with very good scores. Okay, so that's why it is important for you to focus at the university to make those marks. It's not good to waste your time at the university because, such opportunities will pass you by. So here what they're saying is that the academic scores must reflect a potential minimum of an upper second degree. You should be able to submit a partial transcript showing academic performance to date. So you must ensure you get this quickly, as fast as you can. Be available full time for the internship period. You should demonstrate excellent verbal numeracy and problem solving skills. You should show good communication skills and positive attitude. You must write and submit an internship application letter. We are going to show you how to do that. So the internship positions that are available include number one, business development. This is a commercial intern, business development, joint ventures intern, contracts and procurement intern, geosciences intern, health, safety, security, environment intern, surface facilities and enabling infrastructure intern, corporate affairs intern. Now, the details of these, because we don't have a lot of time, the details of these can be got on our website. I'm going to show you the link. I'm providing the link. The link is also available on the original post that we made. So the post is also available on the YouTube channel. Just go there, get the post, and you see the details of what you're going to do in the different classes. Then we also have the graduate trainee opportunities for 2025. Now this is different from the intern. Now this is graduate trainee for fresh graduates with a bachelor's degree, not exceeding 2 years post graduation. Basically, here they are looking at, since we are in 2025, they are looking at people graduated in 2023, 2024, and also 2025. You should be having a potential minimum of an upper second degree. Total Energy Uganda offers hands-on training and mentorship in key departments. Now, what they have indicated here include a social performance graduate training. You can apply for it as long as you have bachelor's in agriculture, agribusiness, rural development, economics, project management. Okay. Business development, planning and development graduate trainee is also needed to assist in the planning and development activities at Total. So here they want bachelors in engineering, petroleum production, finance, economics, and the related field. Even if it is any other field, just come through the related fields. I'm telling you, friends, so many people have gone through, not because the post really talked straight to them, but because they really tried. Try as long as you have a bachelor's degree, good grades, you're going to, of course, try this opportunity. So the biggest question is, how do we apply? The application is very, very simple. It is online. Okay. Just go to your email and send your application to the email address here, ephrrecruitment@totalenergies.com. Again, the application deadline is 15th of March. Don't go beyond that. The female candidates are highly encouraged to apply. On our post, we have provided the application button here. If I mentioned that there are different descriptions and qualifications and skills and the requirements. So you'll be able to see these when you click the apply button here. When you click on it, you're going to be taken to the page. Let me just do that to demonstrate. So as you can see, we are on the AfriCareers jobs page. And on this page, you're going to see the different positions, contracts, and procurement. health and safety, so you can apply here. Corporate affairs intern, apply here. Um, social performance graduate intern, apply here. Social development. If you're not seeing the link, just go to Google, look for Africa Careers, go to Google, type in Africa Careers, look for Africa Careers, and go to the website of Africa Careers. You're going to be able to get the link and apply directly on the website, directly on the link. The links are there, so no worries. You should be able to submit your application. So again, of course, why choose Total Energies? Working with Total means being part of a global team that values innovation. Even if it is just a slot of an intern, you have already enhanced your profile. Okay, you'll be exposed to training, of course, the different activities that are going to give you the hands-on feel. So working with Total means being part of a global team, the global team that values innovation, sustainability, and professional growth. Whether you are just beginning your career or aiming to build your academic achievements, these opportunities will shape your future. Don't miss out. Apply today and take the very first step to a rewarding career. So thank you so much. I want to wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to follow us on our WhatsApp channel, and also to look out for all those opportunities. Until then, we wish you, the team from Africa Careers, wish you all the best in your endeavors to this application. Thank you. Thank you.